Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your OneXBet account using a debit card. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional OneXBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, go to your menu, then go to deposit. Once in deposit, you're going to see a variety of options to make deposits on OneXBet. For example, here, since I'm in Cameroon, you're going to see just two options, Orange Money and MTN, but there are a lot more, among which you will see debit card. So when you open your OneXBet, you're going to scroll down until you see an option with debit card. Once you see that option, click on it, then fill in the different fields you'll see and confirm, and you'll be able to add money to your OneXBet using a debit card.